Hi, my name is Danielle Salinas.
Hi, my name is Gabrielle Salinas.
Hi, I'm Sidney Cooley.
And I am Walter Castillo, and we are Group 2.
In this presentation, we're gonna be going over the subject and issue, the background, the current status, key information, options and recommendations. And so this report briefly examines the main factors influencing our logistics freight forwarding operations. It gives us a glimpse into why the negotiate rates, the need to schedule the best transit times, manage their volume, and when to use intermodal transportation to increase efficiency. The goal is to negotiate key factors to improve the efficiency and competitiveness of the company's services. When logistics companies and tiny to medium enterprises understand and optimize these aspects, it can help enhance their operations, reduce their costs, and improve client satisfaction and retention. A little bit about our logistics. They're a small family-owned company with 20 years of experience in freight forwarding and logistics management. The company generates approximately 1.7 million annually and employs 20 staff members. Our Logistics faces competition from larger firms that generate more than twice its revenue. Despite its size, Our Logistics has built a loyal customer base both domestically and internationally, offering services such as full truckload and less than truckload, transport, cross-docking, storage, and inventory management. Our Logistics has had to adjust its operations to stay competitive by focusing on services areas like freight rates, transit times, and integration of intermodal solutions.
Current status. Our Logistics just moved to a larger, centralized location in Miami and is now faced with the challenge of balancing increased costs with service quality. Even though the move has increased their operational costs, it has added additional services that are now offered to the customers. Currently, Our Logistics does not have any standard services related to rates. Right now, there is an increasing number of competitors in South Florida, and they are currently facing greater challenges negotiating favorable rates and being able to manage cost-effective shipping times. The company's main competitive advantage lies in handling oversized cargo and, after moving into its new location, offering inventory management services. However, maintaining these advantages requires strategic negotiation in multiple areas.
The key informations. First of all, rate negotiations. Shipping rates depend on fuel surcharges, seasonal variations, and shipment sizes. Being an effective negotiator will ensure profitability while remaining competitive. Our Logistics currently negotiates surcharges, leverages discounts, and tries to acquire long-term contracts. As part of the rate negotiation, they offer consolidation, break bulk, documentation services, custom brokerage, insurance, and tracking. Transit time optimization. Transit times are critical for customer satisfaction. Our Logistics offers expedited and regular shipping options. They negotiate between carriers to meet the transit times required to get the shipments from pickup to delivery. This requires careful strategic planning and negotiation skills, and it is essential for meeting client expectations while maintaining profitability. Volume adjustments. Our Logistics is very nimble and can adjust shipments volumes quickly as they fluctuate. Our Logistics can adjust its operation to ensure that the company maintains service quality while managing costs. They negotiate with their carriers to have special equipment available on site to provide the customer with what they require: flatbeds, flat racks, low buoys, low decks. Minimizing any delays, quickly managing these fluctuations is an advantage Our Logistics must be able to maintain operational efficiency. Finally, intermodal transportation. South Florida is a hub for import and export from Central and South America. It also takes 8 hours to reach the next state. By using a combination of rail, road, and sea freight, Logistics can optimize delivery transit times. They negotiate with steam lines to deliver cargo to different ports, or with FEC to move cargo using rail through Florida, and CSXT to move cargo around the nation and Canada, and finally using trucks to make the final delivery.
We have come up with 4 options to help Logistics. Our option 1 was to leverage long-term contracts. Logistics must seek long-term contracts with customers and carriers to stabilize costs. This will enable the company to secure better rates and improve its ability to offer competitive pricing. There are pros and cons. The pros is consistent pricing, better customer relationships, and predictability. The con is that it limits flexibility. For option 2, we decided to expand intermodal capabilities. Integrating more intermodal transportation, especially for international shipments, can optimize transit times and reduce overall costs. The pros is that it increases efficiency and reduces costs. The cons is that it requires investment in logistics and coordination. For option 3, we decided to implement dynamic pricing models. Logistics can implement dynamic pricing models that can adjust rates based on real-time factors such as fuel costs, seasonal demand, and shipment volumes, allowing for better pricing strategies. There are pros and cons as well. The pros is that it tracks real-time market conditioning, and the con is that rates may increase unexpectedly, leading to customer dissatisfaction. And our final option is to improve volume flexibility. Upgrading the company's infrastructure to be able to increase the capacity to scale up or down based on shipment volumes can allow for better resource and cost management. Investing in technologies to forecast demand more accurately and improving warehouse management. The pros is that it reduces waste, increases efficiency, and optimizes resources, while the cons is that it takes money to invest in technology and data analysis.
A conclusion is the number one takeaway from the research is that efficient negotiation and strategic integration of intermodal solutions are essential for improving freight forwarding services, staying competitive, and maintaining operational efficiency. They must provide a standard price for labor with fixed costs and maintain an a la carte price for all other services that have variable costs. Logistics must maintain its competitive edge in the logistics industry by continuously negotiating with carriers for better transit times and favorable rates that can be passed along to the customers. Finally, they need to negotiate their intermodal capabilities into their contracts to increase their overall efficiency. This will allow the company to provide more flexibility and cost-effective solutions, which in the end create returning customers and eventually will attract new clients.